How to cure a cold in the 1890s. Although medicine was increasingly scientific by the 1890s, without antibiotics or modern cold and flu medicine, they had to rely on a lot of home-prepared remedies to make someone feel better. So we have Bayer aspirin laced with heroin from 1898, which was targeted as a cough suppressant. Hot strong lemonade was promoted as a way to break up a cold and cure a sore throat. Cayenne pepper tea, flaxseed lemonade. And here we have slippery elm tea. It sounds a little bit strange, but it is a main ingredient in a lot of modern throat-soothing teas as well. And fresh eggnog was used to help build up protein and keep your calories on when you were sick. In the 1890s, you would add a teaspoon of brandy, or you could just grate some nutmeg onto it. It's so good. It's so good.